Hey everyone, so today I'm back with some Happy Mail to share with you guys. So this time I'm just going to get straight into opening the package because I know you guys could already tell by the title what I'm about to show you. So let's just get straight into it. So here it is unwrapped, and to be honest, comparing this one to the Pocket Stone Malden, I'm really loving this color a whole lot better. They're both called Stone, but that one's just a little bit darker. This is more on the lighter side, which is definitely my fave. So let me show you guys a 360. So here is the front, here's the back, then you have the spine, here's the top, the bottom, and the opening. So there's the closure up close, and it just says Filofax, the original, established 1921. So here it is opened up, and of course down the line this will end up laying flat. I used to have the nude original, and that's one thing I really liked about the planner, is that it always just laid flat. So you have your two pockets, which are really just slits, and you have your full length pocket as well. There's two elastics for your pens. There's one here and then one here. Then you have a middle section right there. Next you get your flyleaf and then the front page. You also get 6 dividers and of course your to-do lists. Also lined paper in white. You also get grid and blank or lined paper, this time in different colors, blue, green, and pink. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that this came with the black ink instead of the blue ink. That's one thing I probably mentioned in like previous videos of like my Filofax unboxings, but I love how they put the black ink inserts instead of the blue ones. Oh no, I spoke too soon because I just saw that the week on 2 pages inserts are in blue, but that's okay because I don't really think I'll use this. I never really do. So this part is just the contacts. And then it goes straight into your week on 2 pages. It's actually a little different. These are undated. I've never seen inserts, like Filofax inserts like this. The spaces are pretty decent. They're all the same size. So I'm not quite sure how many pages this comes with, but there's quite a few. I'm assuming it's good for a whole year. Then you get, of course, your frosted ruler, which is nice. I love when they add that. And then a top open envelope. And last but not least, you do get a little jot pad as well, which is nice. And then you also have a full-length pocket here. So there you have it, guys, a quick review and flip through of this planner. I haven't really seen that many reviews or like unboxing of this particular one, so I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you're wondering what this one's all about. It's fairly new. It just came out like I think last month or whatnot. So if you're interested, I'll link where I purchased it from, and hopefully he has more. I'll definitely share my whole setup with this one. I'm still waiting on a few things to arrive, so once they come in, I'll go ahead and share with you guys how I'll put this together. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, of course, always feel free to comment down below, and of course I'll get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!